Welcome back. We have another great interview coming up for you on the theme Innovation for Sustainability. I'm here with Ian Shelledy from the Walton Family Foundation. Ian, welcome. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Excited to dive in. I know the Walton Family Foundation is doing a lot in the water space in particular, but also pioneering innovative financing approaches for nature positive solutions. So let's dive into that a little bit. Tell us what makes blended public, private, philanthropic capital such a powerful innovation or vehicle for restoring nature.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, thanks so much for asking. There's never enough money to go around, right? Nature needs so much investment. And so a lot of what we think about is how do we get the most out of the resources that we have? And I think one answer to that question is really how do you make sure that when it comes to funding, these different funding buckets that we have are really playing the role that they're designed to play and also working in coordination with one another. So philanthropy, like our dollars can be pretty risk tolerant. We can be flexible, we can absorb risk, test things. Public dollars obviously are the heavy, right? They can bring a lot of actual dollars to the table and get a lot of work done, but not very risk tolerant, not very flexible. And then corporate and private dollars. Like I think what's really exciting there is, more and more we're showing that like when nature is healthy, that is a real economic value. And so the more we can bring corporate and private dollars to invest in nature and also show every dollar that when that happens shows that, nature is worth investing in, and it's an economic imperative.
Absolutely. I'd like to dive into examples of partnerships and nature solutions in a second, but is it fair to say that philanthropic capital is a catalyst for new innovation because it's risk tolerant, and then private capital like corporations then are more willing to invest in pilots, which then scale, and then public money comes in, and that's kind of the sequence we're looking for. Is that
totally? I do think that's fair. I mean, that's certainly how we see our role is risk capital to prove out innovation so that other forms of capital can really take it and scale it.
Right, the catalytic approach. Wonderful. So let's jump into some examples. Can you give us an example of a partnership that shows how new financing approaches are helping to restore and protect nature, and what those kind of nature projects look like as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So here in the West, we're working with an organization called Blue Forest, and is really focused on forest restoration to prevent catastrophic wildfire and protect our source water. Mm-hmm. And what they do is they bring in private capital and impact investment capital up front to finance a lot of that work, because most of the public money is on a reimbursement basis, and a lot of organizations just can't front the cash to really do these projects at the speed and the scale that they need to be done.
Right.
And so a lot of what Blue Forest does is provide the money up front, and then when public funding comes in, it reimburses them, their investors. And so it's, I think, a really exciting way to be blending public and private and philanthropic capital to get better work done and more work done.
Right. So just an example of how innovative financing models actually get the work done. Without that, these nature projects probably wouldn't go live.
Right. Or they'd go real slowly, and they're a lot smaller than they could be.
Right. Let's see. Can you give us an example of some of these nature restoration projects that Walton Family Foundation are involved in?
Yeah. So in the forest space, a lot of it is, not only targeted thinning to reduce, wildfire risk, but also restoring healthy streams and wetlands, which has a ton of benefits. But one of them is that they not only do they have a lot of ecosystem benefits, but they serve as a natural fire break that can slow down a wildfire and make it a lot easier to fight and control.
That's fantastic. And real quick, I just want to hear kind of a little bit more of the ethos behind the foundation's focus on nature. What's the why behind that? Where did it come from? Obviously, in sustainability, there are a number of areas to look at. So
sure. I mean, I think it's just that natural connection of we've been a water funder, right? And really, I think a lot of people have thought of water and nature as separate, but really, they're two sides of the same thing. Like water is nature and vice versa. And so we're really leaning into that.
Well, thank you for the work that you're bringing to ignite more nature and restoration projects. You just heard from Ian Shelledy with the Walton Family Foundation. Thanks so much for joining us today, Ian.
Thanks for having me.